Welcome to Voigo. If you are ready for another unforgettable adventure, you are in right place. Switzerland may be a small country, but it's packed with an extraordinary array of natural and cultural treasures. From the world-famous peaks of the Matterhorn to the serene waters of Lake Geneva, and from the medieval charm of Bern to the vibrant energy of Zurich, Switzerland offers something for every traveler. Whether you're drawn to its outdoor adventures, historical landmarks, or simply the breathtaking scenery, this alpine paradise is a destination that should be on everyone's bucket list. But with so many incredible places to explore, where should you start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll take you through the top 10 must-visit destinations in Switzerland, making sure you don't miss out on any of this country's unforgettable experiences. We begin our journey with the iconic Matterhorn, one of the most recognized and photographed mountains on the planet. Standing majestically at 4,478 meters, this pyramid-shaped peak is a magnet for thrill-seeking mountaineers from around the world. But you don't have to be an adventurer to appreciate its beauty. The Matterhorn is also home to the highest cable car station in the Alps, offering unparalleled views of the surrounding peaks. While you're here, don't miss the Matterhorn Museum in Zermatt. Capture the perfect Instagram shot from the Gornergrat observation platform and experience year-round skiing on the Theodul Glacier. Next, we travel to the enchanting Château de Chillot, a medieval fortress perched on the shores of Lake Geneva near Montreux. This 10th century castle, originally a strategic water fort, later served as a lavish summer residence for the wealthy counts of Savoy. Today, it stands as Switzerland's most visited historical monument, drawing visitors with its rich history and stunning location. Explore the castle's opulent great halls, marvel at the impressive collection of medieval weaponry, and enjoy a scenic boat ride from Montreux to the Château, taking in the picturesque views along the way. Our next stop is Jungfraujoch, famously known as the top of Europe. This high-altitude wonderland is nestled between two towering peaks and is one of the most exhilarating attractions in Switzerland. Don't let the heights scare you, there's something for everyone here. Take the legendary Jungfrau Railway, which climbs to an astonishing 3,454 meters above sea level, making it the highest railway station in Europe. Once at the top, explore the mesmerizing ice palace carved inside the glacier, experience the thrill of the zipline, and soak in the panoramic views from the Sphinx Observatory. Switzerland is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, and nowhere is this more evident than in the Schweizrischer National Park near Zernez. As the country's only national park, it offers a glimpse into the unspoiled wilderness of the Alps before the arrival of mass tourism. Wander through its pristine landscapes, from snow-covered glaciers to lush meadows, and keep an eye out for the park's native wildlife, including red squirrels, ibexes, and even golden eagles. With 21 hiking routes to choose from, each offering unique views and experiences, it's a nature lover's paradise. For a deeper understanding of the region's history, visit the Schmelzra Museum and learn about the bears that once roamed these mountains. Lake Geneva, one of Switzerland's most stunning natural attractions, stretches from the cosmopolitan city of Geneva in the west to the cultural hub of Lausanne in the east. The lake's beauty is matched only by the vibrant activities available in the surrounding areas. Whether you're into windsurfing, kayaking, or simply cruising on a paddle steamer, there's something for every visitor. Don't miss the chance to explore the nearby vineyards, sample some local wines, and capture the perfect photo of the iconic Jet d'Eau in Geneva. And for those who enjoy winter sports, night skiing in the nearby mountains is a must. Head south to discover the unique charm of Lugano, a city where Swiss efficiency meets Italian flair. Nestled along the shores of the serene Lake Lugano, this vibrant city is often called the Monte Carlo of Switzerland. With its Mediterranean climate, palm trees, and picturesque landscapes, Lugano offers a refreshing contrast to Switzerland's snow-capped peaks. Don't miss Swiss Miniature, where you can see Switzerland in miniature, or stroll through the city's historic streets while enjoying Lugano's unique culinary delights. Bern, Switzerland's capital, is a medieval city full of charm. Its old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with cobblestone streets lined with boutiques, bars, and historical landmarks. Visit the Albert Einstein Museum, tell the time at the Zitglock Clock Tower, and take a dip in one of the city's outdoor pools. Don't forget to visit Beer Park, home to Bern's symbolic beers. Lucerne, with its stunning lakeside setting and medieval architecture, is a must-visit. Wander through the old town, explore ancient churches, and cross the iconic Chapel Bridge, a wooden structure that has connected the city since 1333. For a panoramic view, climb the city wall watchtowers and make sure to stop by Switzerland's Transport Museum. No visit to Switzerland is complete without seeing Rhine Falls, Europe's most powerful waterfall. Located near Schaffhausen, it's a natural wonder you can experience up close from a boat. For thrill seekers, the nearby adventure park offers treetop fun, and after a day of exploring, relax at a cafe with a view of the falls. Last but not least, Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland, is a cultural hub with something for everyone. From the charming old town to the vibrant waterfront parks, Zurich is full of life. Explore the FIFA World Football Museum, join the city's social scene at a local event, and unwind with an Aperol Spritz in one of the many bustling squares. And there you have it, a whirlwind experience that will stir your soul and ignite your sense of adventure. From the breathtaking heights of the Matterhorn to the tranquil allure of Lake Geneva, and from the historic charm of Bern to the vibrant pulse of Zurich, Switzerland truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to join us for more explorations around the globe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Voygo. As we wrap up our adventure, remember that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep your sense of wonder alive, and let Voygo be your guide to your next unforgettable journey. Until next time, happy travels!